Hello everyone, what's going on? And I'm super excited for this video because in this video I have majorly two good news for you. I'll be telling that, but before that let's give a high five. एक बार high five दे देंगे, ठीक है? 1, 2, 3. Yes, super. 1, 2, 3. Yes, super. Super. Well done. So the first good news is that yesterday on 23rd of July, ICSE has announced that it's going to declare the results of class 10 students on 24th of July, that is today, sharp at 3 p.m. And I'm super excited for that. And the second good news I will be telling you at the end of this video, so please stay with us, stay with me at the end of this video, okay? And now it was true that we have not got the chance of writing board exams because of COVID-19, and COVID-19 has completely changed our time. And if you ask me, Sanath, was it a very good thing or bad thing that we have not got the chance of writing board exams, then my personal opinion would be just like it was a very bad thing, because especially those who are opting for competitive exams, that might be JEE or NEET, they have lost one of the most great opportunity in their life, because 10th exams are just like one-time exams for our life, and you not write it again will not get the chance. So if there are a lot of factors which matters when we talk about board exams, that it matters about your strategies, it matters about how you prepare, it matters about the hard work that you put into, and lot more things matters when we talk about board exams. So we can even consider it as a mini competitive exam that we have in our own school, competing with the talents in our own school. So anyway, that was the most unfortunate thing happened to us. And I know a lot more of you people come into this category of being happy whenever these board exams are cancelled. And even earlier I came into that category, but later on I realized one thing, that it's a great unfortunate thing happened to all, because we have missed a great opportunity, great opportunity. We have started our first year classes, right? Whenever I realized that the syllabus which is going to be is just double than that of which we study in 10th class, and there are a lot of things which we would have experienced in the board exams, but we have not got the chance. So surely we will be just experiencing a difficulty in competing with lot of people out there in the competitive exams. So anyway, that has happened, okay, leave that. And now it's sharp, I think it's sharp 12 o'clock in the noon, and the results will be out on 3 p.m. on the websites of ICSE whenever we put our unique ID, right? I'm super excited for that, but let's have that patience for that, because a lot of you run out of patience, always watching the time. I know a lot of you might be just now at the right moment, you might be just watching the clock when it will reach, whenever the hands of clock will reach 3 p.m, but when you get your results, some might be happy with that, and a lot of you might get disappointed. I don't know what the criteria. Yes, when I talk about criteria, ICSE has told that it's going to give maximum 5% increment, considering the average marks of class 9th as well as class 10th. And we have even written our pre-boards, especially those who have passed out in the year 2021. We have got an opportunity to write pre-boards for the first time, especially those who have belonged to ICSE syllabus. And when I talk about my own average marks in 9th as well as 10th, it will be anywhere between 89 as well as 90. But I don't know what's going to be the result this time. I'm super happy and evil as well as super sad for that. I was very sad whenever I think of my mathematics marks, because I'm so weak in mathematics that I even don't hesitate telling about that. And I hate a maths a lot. I think my logical skills are a bit loose. That's fine. Okay, and coming to my expectations this time, my expectation would be, I won't tell you that. Let's directly see that, because we have not written our exams, right, board exams, so we cannot keep any expectations on that. Anyway, but considering the average marks, we can have some expectations, but let's not discover about our expectations. Let's directly see the results.
अरे यार, टाइम अभी भी ये 1:10 बज रहा है, क्या करेंगे यार? क्या है यार, किसका ड्रेस है? एक बार देख लेते हैं। टी शर्ट अच्छा नहीं है, अच्छा नहीं है। क्या यार देखो कुछ काम करते हैं, एक बार पढ़ ले। बायोलॉजी बुक लेते हैं यार। अरे बायोलॉजी बुक, अरे यार कितना बड़ा बुक है ना। देखते हैं क्या है इसके अंदर। याद है जब मैं 10th क्लास में पढ़ रहा था ना यार, दिन रात लगा के पढ़ रहा था। लेकिन अब पता नहीं, अब तो बोर्ड वाले देंगे मार्क्स, पता नहीं क्या कितना मार्क्स आएगा बायोलॉजी में, स्पेशली साइंस में। यार क्या क्या रहता है यार इस बुक में, एक बार देख लेते हैं चलो। अब्बा 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 कितना है रे अब्बा, क्या क्या पढ़ना, क्या क्या याद रखना, मेरा तो फटती रे वाह, बाप रे। नहीं नहीं देखो इस बुक को अच्छा से देखो, इतना बड़ा रहता ना अम्मा ये बुक, देख बायोलॉजी। फिर भी मुझे बहुत प्यार है इस सब्जेक्ट से, आई लव बायोलॉजी। हाँ एक बार रख लेते हैं बाजू में, ये देखो। एक काम करते हैं यार, एक बार देखते हैं टाइम कितना हुआ। अरे यार अभी भी 1:15 ही बज रहा है, क्या यार। चलो ये कुछ नया सा चीज़ मिला था यार, ये देखो ये काला वाला, क्या है कि क्या है कि, एक बार पहन के देखते हैं। अच्छा लग रहा हूँ। अच्छा क्या है यार, ठक ठक बहुत मजबूत है, ठीक है चलेगा। देखो यार मेरे को कुछ बताना था, ये देखो ये क्या है ना, ये च्यवनप्राश है, च्यवनप्राश। मैं डेली खाता हूँ इसको सुबह सुबह, मस्त रहता यार, सुपर रहता। रुको रुको थोड़ा खा कर दिखाता हूँ। एक चम्मच अंदर डालो, उठाओ, मुंह में डालो। हाँ सुपर, इसलिए देखो मैं कितना फिट हूँ। मस्त रहता यार। चलो यार प्यास लग रहा है, पानी पी लेता हूँ। इससे क्या होता है ना, तंदुरुस्ती बढ़ता है और तो और दिमाग भी बहुत तेज होता है। ठीक है पी लेते हैं, ठीक है 1 2 3। वाह 1 2 3 और एक बार। चलो बस हो गया, देखो हो गया ना काम सिंपल। यार ऐसे लोग कितना टाइम लेंगे यार, 3 बजे। अरे यार मेरे को सस्पेंस रुका नहीं जा रहा है। अरे और कितना टाइम लेंगे ये लोग, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है।
And here we go, we have the results right now, and it took me a lot of time to get the index number, but anyway I have managed it getting from the office. And by looking at the marks I could rather say that I would be getting a 90% when we take the average and just divide it. And the criteria which ICSE have is that we will be choosing the best 5, and they have not given the percentage over here. We will be choosing the best 5, then taking an average of it, and later on we will be getting the result. So now in English I have got 86, then coming to Hindi I have got 94, then later on 99 for history and civics, I mean social, then mathematics 88. I told you right, mathematics will just kill me, yeah. Then coming to science, that is 91, and later on physical education 99, and later on that's it. And now if we divide it by 5 we are going to get 93, and here you can see this is actually the percentage which I am getting, and 93.8, it approximately it comes to 94. So that is the percentage which I have received this year. But if you ask me, Sainath, are you satisfied with this, then I could say only one thing, that is no, I'm not really satisfied with this. I mean especially when we do something with lot of hard work and later on we will get the result of it, then that will be the most meaningful thing, rather than just receiving the marks which board is allotting to us. I think it's not a satisfactory one. I mean even I don't feel very excited for this. So that's the result. You don't see any excitement in my face, and that's completely fine. I called a lot of my friends and even they called me. Then I came to know that many have gained above 90%, and I think nearly about 70% of the students have got above 90, and then the average percentage which they used to get in the normal exams. And the funniest thing is that most of them, as they have got 90, the 90 has just lost its value, since most of them have got it.
Anyway, it's fine, but really it's a not a satisfactory thing because we have not written that. This is actually the marks which council has given us along with the marks submitted by schools to the council, and also the average marks that we have gained in class 9th as well as in class 10th. Okay, some might be very happy and even some might be not satisfied with this, and those of my friends who have just scored above 90 or 90 percentage, I wish you all the best and congratulate on your success. And you know, याद रखना, अभी कहानी ख़त्म नहीं हुई है, अभी तो कहानी शुरू होने वाली है, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है, बस अभी तो एक ट्रीज़र था, यानी अपना लाइफ अब स्टार्ट होने वाला है. You will be experiencing the real talents of this world when you get into a larger place like college, where people from all around the world, or it might be all around the state, will be getting their seats over there, getting their admissions over there, and you will be competing with them. So do all the best and never let your hope die and never let your fire within you die. Wish you all the best.
The time for second good news of the video, and earlier in the starting of this video I have promised you of telling the second good news. I have already told you the first good news, and this is going to be the second good news. And it's not about our education, it's not about the education, it's about me. Do you want to know? But I'm in a huge dilemma, yeah. I'm in a huge dilemma whether I should be telling you this or not. Anyway, I have promised that, and even you have that curiosity, right? Okay. The second good news is that अरे यार उतना नहीं चाहिए ना, है ना? Oh my God, the time has finished. Someone is calling me. Okay, I will be just telling you in the next video. Okay, meet you in the next video. Bye bye. अरे ऐसे कैसे जाऊंगा यार, नहीं जाऊंगा ऐसे, ठीक है. And the good news is that, okay, I have told you the good news, right? Please erase in your mind about the good news, just replace it with the bad news, the tagline bad news. So the bad news is that this is going to be my last video. I will not be uploading any videos in the coming 2 years because my colleges have got started, and on the 26th I will be going to college, and I'm really happy for that because I have not got a chance of experiencing those 10th class, and now I am getting a chance of experiencing those 2 years of my college, where we'll get a lot of new talents to talk with. We'll make a lot of friends, we'll have a good environment for studies, and we'll get to know a lot more things, and I'm really happy for that. And the main reason why I got started making videos on YouTube is that it's not just like I want to gain fame over the people and become a public figure, I want to gain a lot of followers, not such kind. But the very simple reason why I got started with making videos on YouTube is that I always keep on exploring myself. I always love learning new things. If I give you a list of things that I have learned all over in the lockdown, where everyone has got an opportunity to explore yourself, so I have learned a lot of things. I don't know whether I should be telling you that or not, because whenever we tell something about ourselves, it should be just like bluffing or something else, unless and until you show the result of it. So anyway, I will be just specifying that because a lot more you might be getting an inspiration through that. And don't take it as I'm boosting about myself, because I will be telling you the reality. So the first thing which I got started in lockdown is that coding. So I got started with coding, and I have learnt a lot of programming languages. And if even I won't tell, it would be wrong if I tell that I am a front-end developer making the websites. And later on I got started with digital marketing. I took that course, and presently I am Google certified digital marketer. And then later on I started creating videos, through which I have learnt video marketing, how do we market our videos, how do we sell ourselves. Then later on the video production, how to create the videos, how to edit, and lot more things. And even I have learnt of a bit about graphic designing, how we design something. And how recently I have started my own podcast, that is the Science Show, where I will be telling you my experience over there, what related to my school life, related to my own life that I experienced, and lot more things. So this is the way which I got started. I know it's not just like I have just left studies and started doing all these things, because a lot of you might be thinking that I focus a lot on these things rather than my studies, but it's completely the wrong assumption you do, because whenever you do something you should always give the priority to it. I kept my studies as my first priority rather than doing this all things, so that I could just balance all the things. Balancing is very important when you start learning new things and adapting to your life. And the thing which kept me on going is that the motivation which I used to have within me. I had a very good experience in this lockdown, learning new things, meeting new people, and creating a lot of content. I enjoyed a lot, and hope same with you guys. Thank you so much guys for supporting me. It really means a lot to me, because a lot of you told me don't stop making these videos. Anyway, thank you so much. We'll be seeing after 2 years. Miss you. Bye bye. Take care. All the best. Do good in all the aspects of your life. See you after 2 years. Miss you. Bye bye.
सब करेक्ट हो चेष्टा सही ना